Hi, honey. What's going on here?
We stopped for like 5 minutes.
Hi, girlfriends. Where'd you go? Whoa, is it snowing here or what? Nice, huh? We get some Subway. We in somewhere upstate New York. And it's snowing. Very nice.
Come on. We can make it. Come on.
Get to town.
Come on.
No, look, it's overturned.
Oh, I see it.
Another one.
Another car off the road. Come on, we can do it.
I got it, almost. Don't go.
Don't make a stop. We'll never get going again.
No, we'll get it. We can share.
Come on. We're never gonna get back on again. Oh, shoot.
Oh.
Well, we started our trip at 10:30 this morning. And we're still driving because of all the snow that fell. We have been stuck several times.
They say that there is an inch and a half of rain in Bergen County. And we got over a foot of snow over here. And we have the best tires in the entire world. All season. They work in the winter too. They work in the winter too.
So please tell Firestone, they're great. We made it and we're stuck. There's our hotel.
And that's where we are.
So for the, I don't know, 5th or 6th time, we're stuck. And we're only 10 feet away.